Hi guys, welcome to my channel Grammar at 7. Today I'm going to talk about the correct usage of singular verb in present tense. When you're using a singular nouns in your sentence, always add s after the verb in present tense. Singular nouns are all the singular nouns, all the names. If you're talking about one person in your sentence, he, she, it, everyone, everybody, no one, nobody, either, neither, someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, all these are singular nouns. So if you have any of those words in your sentence, add an s after the verb. Have a look at this example. He write very well. This is incorrect. You should add an s after the verb. Hence, the correct usage is he writes very well. Harry come home at 9 p.m. Harry is a singular noun. Hence, you should add an s after the verb. Harry comes home at 9 p.m. Nobody care about the dog. Even this is incorrect. Nobody cares about the dog. Don't add s to verb while talking about plural nouns in present tense. Plural nouns are I, you, we, they, and all other plural nouns. I writes very well. This is incorrect. Should be I write very well. Children comes home at 9 p.m. is incorrect. Children come home at 9 p.m. We wants to go home. We want to go home is correct. That's it for now, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Like the video and share it with family and friends. Bye.